Here is my laundry room / utility room where we store all of our stuff, and it's so nice and clean. Here's my washer and dryer. Oh, that's where I started painting about a month ago. Just kidding. This is really what it looks like. As you can tell, it is really just, it's like the junk drawer, but it's the utility room. And so first I have to clean it up. It took me an hour just to sort the laundry, then picking up the random things. It's just everything is in here. Recycling, everything. I accidentally deleted the footage of me cleaning, so we are skipping to cutting in. I did not locate my masking tape in any of that, so I am cutting in the good old-fashioned way. And it's a lot easier when you have a better quality brush. This one is from the Dollar Tree, and it's gonna get the job done, but it doesn't quite make the thin line that you need to really cut in easily. What I'm going to do is just keep a damp cloth nearby so I can wipe off the baseboards and trim whenever I get it where it is not supposed to be. That's all I was able to accomplish that day. So a week later, I get started again, and this time I'm going to be doing the main wall. So I take down the valance and hit myself in the face. This is so real life in my face. Like, WTF. I got this little hack off Pinterest years ago. You take a grocery bag or any sack and you put it over your paint tray. Just make sure that if it has any wording on it that you have it inside out. Then I just pour the paint inside of there and roll it as usual. When you're done, you can just pull your paint off and throw it in the trash. So right here you can see my under cabinet lighting. It's LED strip lighting, it's adhesive, and I got it off of Amazon. You can change the brightness on it and it's remote controlled, and it really has come in handy for lighting this area over here where my washer and dryer are. I highly recommend it. I think it was like $30 on Amazon. I'll try and link it for you if you're interested. By this time, it's mid-afternoon and I've started a new can of paint and I've located my masking tape. So this is my last wall. So this is a pretty good example of the variance on this paint and how it can skew more gray or it can skew more taupe. It is the same color, all of the paint cans matched. It's just the way the lighting is and the way it skews. Here we are with this. You can see that I used masking tape to show me where the holes need to be, and I couldn't locate a hammer, so I just used a random piece of wood that I found. Here I'm cleaning the handle for my ironing cabinet. This is my vacuum holder. And neat finished product. I do like the final results of the color in the laundry room, but I won't be purchasing backdrop again. The Dollar Tree brush was a little frustrating with cutting in, but it did work. So if you like this type of thing, let me know. Thanks for viewing and have a great day.